So in this video, we'll see how we can enable cash on delivery in Shopify store. Here you can see I can able to see cash on delivery in my checkout of Shopify store. Let's go how we can do it. So here I'm logged into admin dashboard of Shopify. As you can see, this is my online store. Now we'll add cash on delivery payment method on settings. In settings, here you can see there are multiple options. Click on payment. Now when you scroll down, here you can see manual payment method. Payment method outward your online store. Like these manual payment method will be not prepaid payment method. On manual payment method, here you can see there are multiple bank deposit, money order, or you can also create custom payment method. Additional detail you want to show to customer of payment instruction like you need to pay this or there will be delay in cash order dispatch like that. If you want to show cash on delivery, you can show also a payment instruction as per your need. I have enabled cash on delivery. Now let's see how it will look, or we can customize something on it. And I go on checkout. Now when I go on checkout, here you see cash on delivery method is showing. And here I have added a message that is showing here. So you can add like there will be some extra charges for cash on delivery. Or if you want to charge, you can add some specific thing as per your need here. And there is a specific video if you want to charge extra on cash on delivery. I've created a specific video for it. You can watch that. Now you can see cash on delivery is enabled in your Shopify store. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.